Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Maha here with another easy breezy recipe. Today I'm bringing you one more pumpkin recipe. It's a Pakistani style of making pumpkin veggie, or as we call it, Kaddu ki Bhujia or Kaddu ki Sabzi. You can serve it with some rice or flatbread, whichever you prefer. And guess what? It's keto friendly too. This pumpkin recipe is so easy breezy. You just need to cut the pumpkin and cook it with a few spices. That's it. No onions, no tomatoes, no yogurt. If you know a bit about Pakistani or Indian cuisine, you might also know that our food is incomplete without any of these three things. But still, this kaddu ki sabzi turns out so yummy, so flavorful that you will be amazed. When I really don't want to eat any meat or I want to quickly make some dinner, then I go for this pumpkin meal with some rice. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make flavorful pumpkin veggie or kaddu ki sabzi. 1 kg pumpkin cut into 1-inch cubes. There are loads of spices that have to be added, so I have put them together in 2 sets. So first set of spices are 10 curry leaves, but if yours have crushed like mine, then 2 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Second set of spices are 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, and 1 teaspoon salt. To add some more flavor and spiciness, you'll need 5 to 6 green chilies. Really depends on your spice level. 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon tamarind paste. You'll also need some coriander or parsley for garnish. Here's how to make kaddu ki sabzi. Heat some oil in a pan, keep the flame low and add the first set of spices, which means curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and ginger paste. Mix it and stir fry until the spices start to crackle. Now add the diced pumpkin and stir fry on a high flame for a few more minutes. It's time to add the second set of spices and the flavors, which means now you'll add red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili flakes, salt and green chilies, and give it a good mix. Now sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now add a cup or 2 of water and bring it to boil. Lower the flame and cover it with the lid. Simmer it on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes or until pumpkin is soft and mashable. Once pumpkin is cooked, mash it with the spoon like shown here and make sure you do not mash all of them. Keep the flame high to evaporate the extra water. Once done, add the tamarind paste. Mix and cook for 2 minutes and turn off the flame. At this moment, sprinkle some coriander on top and cover with the lid for a few minutes. This helps the food to absorb the fresh aroma of coriander. Now serve it with some rice or flatbread. See how easy it was to make this delicious flavorful pumpkin? I think the only thing that needed a bit effort in this recipe was to cut the pumpkin. Other than that, it was easy breezy. The great thing about pumpkin is that it's allowed on ketogenic diet. Therefore, to make this Pakistani meal more keto friendly, you can have it on its own, like my hubby does, or with keto flatbread that I have previously shown you how to make. I'll link it down below in my description for you to easily access. Hit that like button if you like today's pumpkin recipe. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and press that bell icon to get all the updates on what's cooking at Maha's Shack. If you have already subscribed, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. Comment down below and let me know if you will be serving this kaddu ki sabzi with rice or flatbread. Thanks for watching and bye for now.